So hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'll be unboxing my first RGB gaming headset, and that would be the Esports H570. Let's get into the video. So let me open the box. Before that, the box is really big, and you can see the cardboard is good, and there you go. It's written as Deep Bass 50mm cable and USB, and it has 7.1 surround sound and obviously RGB lighting. So let me open the box. Okay, I opened it, and there you go. Here's the headset. Okay, I guess I will open it successfully. I don't know. So I have successfully opened the headphones. I've taken it out of the cardboard, and here it is. I'll be checking the headphone obviously using my laptop. So let me check it. Also, the wire is really good, durable, and so I have successfully connected it in my laptop. So here we go. We'll take a look at this headset and the RGB lighting. It's beautiful. It's really nice. As you can see there, it's written as Esports. Let me show you guys some shots that I took. So I'll be reviewing this headphone in a few weeks, and I'll be uploading that video too, hopefully. And also I'm wearing my bedsheet now because it is really cold because of the air conditioner. And also about the headphones, the RGB lighting, like I said, it's really good looking, and I guess the mic is pretty good, and the whole video that I recorded, whatever I spoke, I used my microphone, the headset's microphone, and the clarity of the video that I'm recording now will be kind of bad because of my video camera, so sorry for that. I hope this was a good video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please support my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you for watching, guys.